Hey guys, just doing a little update on this plow truck. It's 86 Ford F250, 7.5, 460 I think it is motor. Um, anyway, I kind of left you hanging there after the last video. I poured some fuel down the carb and got it to fire off and had some problems. And anyway, I've replaced a few things. Here I'll just give you a little bit of an update. So just a quick little update. I have a little bit of light left today, and I got to do some yard work before it gets dark in an hour or so. Before, yeah, next week sounds like it's pretty cold already. So anyway, I'll walk you through what I did. Let's see. Just let you know. Keep you updated. Alright, so we left off. It was running with fuel down the carb, poured in with the jerry can, and so I ordered a mechanical fuel pump. There's silverish, clean looking thing. Cleanest thing on the truck, maybe. Anyway, a real pain in the butt to change because I have all this homemade bracketry here with this hydraulic pump and this hydraulic tank here. Anyway, it's not being used for anything at the moment. It has two big lines that run all the way to the back of the truck. Not sure, maybe it was a gravel spreader or something at one time. Anyway, so I changed the fuel pump, and then it was just leaking like you wouldn't believe, all over down here. Anyway, I figured it was the accelerator pump diaphragm there, and also the O-rings on this crossover tube from the front bolt to the back. So I got a new diaphragm, new O-rings in this, and that seems to have solved it. Now, one time I thought there was a drip coming from this linkage on the throttle, but it seems to maybe have healed itself. So we got a bunch of mouse crap in here. Anyway, then it was running okay, and then all of a sudden it was backfiring all the time once it warmed up. And I watched a couple of videos, and people said get rid of all this air pump stuff. Anyway, they said if you just get rid of the belt, it helps. So I did that. Just pulled the belt off for now, and it does run better. I still think I have a lot of bad gas in the tank. I have put some good stuff in there. I should maybe throw some seafoam or octane boost or both or something in there. Run it some more, because it does still smell like bad gas. But anyway, it's running better each time, kind of thing. I did play with the timing a little bit. Take that back up. Yeah, seems like it. Played with the timing a little bit after I pulled that belt off, because I think the timing's retarded a bit, I think, with all the smog stuff on it. So I turned it clockwise a hair, and it seems to be okay. So then the other situation was the plow, and to get the plow working. So first thing, I tried the switches, nothing. And then I noticed a couple of these wires are broken. So I soldered, cut them all, soldered them all. Then I had clicking, but nothing. So I should have just, the clicking, I shouldn't have worried about the new solenoid, but whatever. I tried it, still just clicked on the switches. And so I found the part number for the pump on the other pump, the motor for the pump. So I did find a motor, And I changed that, new solenoid, put some fluid in the reservoir, and we got a working plow now. So it goes up and down, side to side. Anyway, that's kind of exciting. I'll set you up here and we'll see if there's enough battery to fire this up. Maybe run the plow a bit. What happens? So that's how it sits for now. One thing is it does flood itself after it's been running. Not sure why. It'll flood itself. It still starts easy, but just push the pedal to the floor, fire right up. And I just wonder why it's doing that. Not sure. Not a guru on carburetors. I can kind of fiddle around enough to figure some stuff out. Anyway, I'm just going to get rid of that. Maybe. Air cleaner back on. So there you have it. That's my little update. Not too much more exciting. I might drive it around a little bit more, try to burn some more fuel out of it. Get some fresh stuff in there. And wait till the snow comes. Time to go to work.